Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, so start by opening Gmail settings now. Click the gear icon and choose See All Settings. This exposes notification controls and filters that affect Messenger mail. Once done, make sure you're on the General tab to view desktop notifications and mail handling options. You'll also want to confirm the account displayed is the one receiving Messenger alerts. This avoids disabling notifications for the wrong profile and gets you straight to the actionable controls that stop Messenger messages from interrupting you. Now create a precise filter to catch Messenger emails and keep them out of sight. Click Filters and Blocked Addresses, right arrow create a new filter. Enter common senders or subject keywords used by Messenger, then click Create Filter. Select Skip the Inbox, apply a label such as Messenger, and check Never Mark as important so Gmail won't surface them. Once created, run the filter on matching conversations to move existing emails. If messages still appear in primary, edit the filter to broaden sender patterns or keywords. Finish by silencing Gmail alerts so Messenger emails stop pinging you. In Settings, right arrow General turn desktop notifications off, and in the Gmail mobile app set notifications to none or high priority only to avoid low-importance alerts. Once done, make sure your filters are active and that no other connected app, like Facebook or a third-party extension, is resending notifications. If you still get alerts, check other signed-in accounts and revoke app permissions or disable conflicting browser extensions as a key troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.